Hi. So today, in our first video lecture in this series, we are going to discuss about the data representation, or also known as the number system. So this is the first chapter in ICSE Computer Science for class 11, and this is the most important chapter, I can say. So now the question that comes into our mind is, what is number system? So the number system is nothing but the way of representing numbers. हम नंबर को किस तरीके से किस वे से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. We can represent number is different ways. I think you are already aware of binary number, octal number, decimal number. In our day-to-day life, the number that we represent is in decimal number. Mostly decimal number पे ही represent किया जाता है. So as per the definition, जो book का definition दिया हुआ है वो होता है कि number systems are the way of representing numbers by a finite set of distinct graphical symbols or signs. So number system का मतलब ये होता है कि it's a way of representing numbers by a finite set of distinct graphical symbols and signs. जैसे कि हमारे decimal number system में why it is known as decimal number system, because it has 10 numbers starting from 0 to 9. So total there are 10 numbers. So इस 10 numbers के जरिए, so using this 10 numbers we actually represent all the numbers in our decimal system. Now, a decimal number can be represented in a different way in a different number system. Suppose 9 in decimal number is represented by IX in Roman number. इसको बाइनरी में डिफरेंट तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. सो एक्चुअली नंबर सिस्टम डील्स विथ रिप्रेजेंटिंग नंबर्स. आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मोर डिटेल्स. Now the first thing is, number system can be categorized into two parts. The first one is non-positional number system and the second one is positional number system. Now what do you mean by non-positional and what do you mean by positional number system? So the example of non-positional number system is Roman number, Greek number system, and example of positional number system like decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. And non-positional number system, Roman number system, Greek number system, etc. आखिर पोजिशनल और नॉन पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम का मतलब क्या आता है? नाउ व्हाट डू मीन बाय पोजिशनल एंड नॉन पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम? नाउ सपोज टेक द एग्जांपल of any decimal number system. See, the number 135 and the number 531. These are the two different numbers. Now the weightage of 5 here and the weightage of 5 here are different. Though the digit is same, but their weightages are different. I will explain in details what do you mean by weightage, but for the time being, यहाँ 5 का वैल्यू 5 ही है, यहाँ 5 का वैल्यू 5 नहीं है. Here the 5 represents 500 and here the 5 is 5. So that's why the positional depends on the position of this 5, the weightage or the value of this digit becoming different. So that's why it is positional number system. In contrast, if you go to the non-positional number system like Roman number system, Greek number system, etc., you will find that the position doesn't matter. The number, the weightage of the number will always remain same. Suppose 1, 2 and 3. Here everything is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now if you write 1 here, if you write 1 here, the weightage of 1 will remain 1. Value will differ. Suppose this is 4 and this is 6. So this is 4 and this is 6 in decimal. Now the value of 1, here is 1, here it is also 1. Here it is 5 minus 1 equal to 4, here it is 5 plus 1 equal to 6. But the value remains 1 irrespective of the position. पहले जब 1 लिखे थे इसका वैल्यू भी एक ही था, बाद में जब 1 लिखे इसका वैल्यू भी एक ही है। लेकिन ये डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में नहीं होगा। डेसिमल में 1, 10 और 0, 1 ये एक का वैल्यू डिफर हो जाता है। सो आई थिंक एक का वेटेज डिफर हो जाता है। सो दिस इज द ब्रीफ details of the positional and the non-positional number system. So we will mostly deal with the positional number system. So let's get into the details. Now positional number system में क्या होता है कि depends on the position, the weightage of the number varies. Now I will get into the details of the what do you mean by weightage. Suppose take the number 135. What is the value of 5 here? The value of 5 here is 5 into 1 equal to 5, right? Now if I write 153, what is the value of 5 here? The value of 5 means 5 here becomes 5 into 10 equal to 50. And if I write 531, the value of the 5 become 5 into 100 equal to 500. So you can see that's why it is known as positional number system. पोजीशन के हिसाब से इसका वेटेज चेंज हो रहा है। यहाँ पर 5 का वेटेज क्या था? 5 into 1 equal to 5. अब how it is becoming 1 and why we are multiplying with 10 and why we are multiplying with 100, that will come later, बाद में आएंगे। लेकिन फिलहाल ये तो समझ में आ ही गया कि 5 का यहाँ का जो पोजीशन है, इस पोजीशन के हिसाब से इसका वेटेज होता है 5. नाउ इफ आई राइट हेयर इसका वेटेज होता है 50. इफ आई राइट हेयर इसका वेटेज होता है 500. सो दैट्स वाई इसको पोजीशनल नंबर सिस्टम बोलते हैं, बिकॉज 5 here is not 5, it is 500. Even 3 here is 3, the weightage of 3 here is 30, right? That's why 5 का weightage है 500, 3 का weightage है 30 and 1 is in unit position, so it is 1. So that's why it is known as 531. So when we are calculating the weightage, the most important thing is the base or the radix. Base and radix. So base and radix tells how many different graphical symbols are used to represent number in the number system. So base or radix मतलब क्या होता है? It tells that how many different graphical symbols are used to represent a number system. मतलब डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में कितने ग्राफिकल सिंबल्स या डिजिट्स यूज होते हैं? 10. सो बेस क्या होगा? 10. बाइनरी सिस्टम में so as per the definition, base is nothing but the number of symbols of the digits that we usually use to represent a number system. Now if you consider decimal number system, how many numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why the base or radix is 10. If you go to the binary, the base or radix become 2 because there are two numbers, 0 and 1. If you take out octal number, what will be the base of the radix? It will be 8. And how many digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the digits are there in the octal number. And if you consider hexadecimal number, what will be the base of the radix? It will be 16. And how many digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, it will not be 10. It will be A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 16 numbers. So that's why the base or the radix is 16. I think you can view. This will be A. So in case of hexa, it will be the base or radix is 16 and the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E, F.